Okay guys, so Hurricane Irma's coming down on us and I can't resist the urge to take the Mavic for a flight. And if it would just stop raining for just a little bit, I'm gonna send it up. I don't know, hopefully it goes good. I know these things are pretty tough and it's really not raining all that hard right now, but I would just like to get a scene of what my hometown looks like. Take it for a flight, get it up in the air, and you know, just have a look around. But as soon as it clears up, I'm gonna put it up, I think. A little Hurricane Irma drone fun. Yeah, buddy. For those of you that know the Mavic, there's a shield that goes over the gimbal. I'm gonna leave that in place because I don't want to get wet. So you're gonna have a little bit of interference as far as what it looks like because they're just gonna get some water on there, but oh well. Can't get this stupid thing to freaking connect. See, that's what my Mavic is seeing right now. Nice shot of my gut. And I can record from the Mavic and throw that up on my big screen as in split screen. Man, I'm getting good at this video editing thing. Yeah, I'm gonna let it chill out for a little while. I'm gonna turn off all my stuff. I'm gonna go inside and let this this band calm down a little bit. Next chance I get though. Next chance, it's going. It's going to fly sky high. Kind of reminds me of 4th of July when I decided my dad should fire bottle rockets at the Mavic Pro. He didn't even come close, so it's no worries. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Yeah, God, I want to do it so bad. Oh my God, I want to do it. I want to do it. It's not that bad. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. What if I fashion some sort of rain guard for it? No, I'm not going to. All right, I'm going inside for a moment. Okay, guys, it did let up a little bit. So I think if I'm going to do it, I got to do it now. We'll see. Oh, man, I don't know, man. It's raining pretty good. Oh Lord. I can't risk it. I can't risk it. I can't do it. I don't know. If I do it, it's gonna be a short flight. I'm talking like 1 minute. That's it. It's just too much, man. It is kind of coming down a little bit hard right now. See, the problem is I'm running out of daylight too. So if I run out of daylight, I can't fly. Don't know. I'm gonna go back inside. It's definitely extremely wet. Yikes. Okay, yeah, that's it. I'm calling it. Maybe after dinner. Can't do it, man. Too sketchy. Yeah, so for right now, I'm not gonna do it. When I stand out there, it just takes on a little too much water. I think the Mavic can handle it, but I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna go inside and have some dinner. Maybe it'll calm down a little bit just before dark. I have a feeling it's just gonna get worse and worse and worse though. Yeah. This is what I'll do. I'll just fly my next chance I get. Yeah, it's just getting worse, so we'll see. I'm gonna take a break. Okay, looks clear enough. I'm gonna go for it. Oh.
This is where Gale is right here. So it's a little bit south of State Road 434, and just to the east, or just to the west of the 417 highway, a nice little neighborhood tucked in that area. And you said most of the
My dad's shaking his head disapprovingly. Okay, we're ready to go. Not so bad. It's not so bad. Okay, come on now. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. It's in GPS mode. I'm gonna take it up. Here we go, here we go. I can correct that later, yeah. I'll be all right. There we go, okay. Okay, we're airborne. It's a little windy. I'm gonna just take it up, take a look around, and that's it. It keeps losing GPS mode. When it's not in GPS mode, it won't take off more than 20-30 feet. So, I don't know. No GPS. I may have to calibrate it. See, I only have 5 satellites right now, and that is not good. See, usually I'm working with something like 12 to 15 satellites, and right now there's only 5 because of the weather connected. It keeps jumping back into ADI mode. And ADI mode is not good. See, there's only 6 right now. Huh. No positioning, no GPS positioning. Man. Maybe if I kind of expose it a little bit more, it'll pick up some more. Let's see. I'm going up. Wow. It's losing position pretty easily. I'm having to bring it back. Wow. These clouds are moving so fast. All right. I'm at about 200 feet. I gotta bring it back down. This is it. I gotta bring it back down. It's kind of having trouble. Okay, come on, baby. Come back. Come back. It's coming. It's coming back down. Come on, baby. All right. Got it. Hell yes. Okay, I think we got it. See if we're still recording here. All right. Loony. I'm a loony person. Okay, so well, here's the thing: is it was a little hard to control. It was hard to control when it was way up there, but it didn't get all that wet, which is great. It really didn't get that wet at all. So I think that's it. We're gonna call it quits. I would love to have gotten some better shots, but I ain't gonna risk it. The Mavic did well. I'm going freak back inside. I gotta see if this will even work because I'm trying to like just reflect light off of a paper to light me enough. Let me see if I'm lit enough. It's not bad, but there's no power. I'm gonna go outside. I think we're about in the eye of the storm now. We got to be pretty close, and it's getting pretty rough. I wish you guys could see what these trees are doing, dancing in the sky. It's mesmerizing to watch, even though it's a little bit frightening. These huge trees that weigh thousands of pounds are just getting blown around like crazy. It's pretty impressive. I don't know if this is lighting me up enough, but I just wanted to come out here and for a little bit until it got really nutty. It's amazing. It's actually not all that windy right where I'm at. You know, it's pretty windy and stuff, but not right where I'm at. It's like it's kind of got an elevation to it. Like it's a little higher up. You know, you get up in these tops of the trees and the wind is really whipping, but down on ground level, it doesn't feel that bad to me. I'm being braced by the wind, by the house and all that stuff too, or I'm being blocked by the house and all that, but it's really not that bad down here. I'm just out here in Hurricane Irma. I think the eye is pretty much passing over me right now. I gotta be very close. I'm in East Orange County, and it is, let's see what time it is. It's 12:33 a.m. on Monday morning, Sunday night, and we got to be pretty close to the eye. It's getting pretty rough around here, so I don't know. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, it's getting pretty rough. Luckily, there's no sound of freight trains. If I hear that junk, I'm running inside. Very interesting. I said I wasn't going to do anything related to the hurricane, but here I am. I do kind of like this kind of stuff. Not that I get pleasure from it or anything, but it is interesting. Man, the wind is really whipping. Holy smokes. God. Oh yeah. It's weird how you can feel you hear waves of it coming through the trees, coming toward you. Pretty interesting. Power's out in my house. Only thing bad about all this is that I can't edit video and get all my clips together because of the power being out in my house. I'm gonna try something for a second. I'm gonna shoot the LED light up in the tree in the same angle as the camera to see if you can see any of the treetops and the way it looks. You can't see squat. All around me on the horizon, you'll see a blue lightning strike kind of effect, but there never comes any thunder. The thing is, it's transformers blowing up all around us. You don't hear them because they're far away, but they're lighting up the sky every, at random times. They're just lighting up the sky here and there. Airplanes in the night skies are like shooting stars. Well, we made it through the night, and little first looks don't look bad at all. Certainly isn't over. We're making it.
about the brightest one I think I ever saw.
The most glorious rainbow.
Uh-oh, going away.
The most glorious rainbow.
It's like bronze and copper and yellow, white green, green blue,
The most glorious rainbow.
and red yellow. It is perfect.